This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. It is June 30th, 2018. This one here, I'm going to do a little Sporlan swag giveaway. Sporlan was nice enough to send me some stuff. He sent me 2 sets of the merchandise. I'm going to keep 1 set, and I'm going to give 1 set to a lucky winner on this video. And I'll show you what I got here for what they sent me. And what you have to do is comment on this video down below, Sporlan giveaway. And if you put that in a comment, you'll be eligible to win. And what I'll do is a random.org. I'll wait a couple of days and I'll do a pick. Random.org, and whoever wins, I'll send them out the stuff. So what they sent me was, they sent me a hat. Nice Sporlan hat. It's nice cloth material. It's got a nice back strap on it, adjustable. Sporlan. Now, they've seen me using their Sporlan Smart Tools for the refrigeration gauges, and I'm a big fan of the Sporlan Smart Tools. I like them. A lot of guys use the Testos, you know, and my sponsor for the channel is sending me a set of UEI wireless as a demo, so I'm going to be using those, trying those out also. But I'm a big fan of the Sporlan Smart Tool. I don't know how it's going to compare with the Sporlan, but I like it, you know, and I got a little iPad that I use just for that, for checking subcool, superheat, and as gauges. That's what I use. What else they sent me? They sent me a nice. Now the size of the T-shirts are large, so there's no extra large. There's no, double X. This is what they sent me. This is what's coming in the package. That's all I got. So, Sporlan shirt. They sent me this nice cup. I mean, it's hard plastic. The top twists off. It's insulated. It's got a nice top to it. You could put hot coffee in there or iced coffee. It's got this little rubber sleeve that goes on it. It's a nice cup. I mean, and it's a tall cup. It's probably, you could put a couple of, it'd be like a double. That's a real tall double coffee for the morning. I mean, very nice. Very nice. I really like the cup. That's nice. And they also sent this little light. It's a little light. This is Sporlan on it. LED light. The back opens up. Looks like there's 3 AAA batteries that go in there. They did send the batteries in the box. It comes in a little box. They got the batteries here for it, and it comes in a little box. It's got a magnet on the back for the light. Nice little light. So, big thanks for Sporlan for sending out the swag, and we'll do a giveaway on it. If there's other companies out there that want to get promoted, send me some merch, and we'll do a giveaway to the subscribers. I mean, I ain't got nothing against that. I'll pay for the shipping. Not that big of a deal. So wherever you guys are, I'll pay for the shipping to send it out. So like I said, leave a comment in the comment section, Sporlan giveaway, and you'll be eligible to win. I'll do a random.org in a couple of days, and we'll pick a winner. And now, when I pick the winner, you got 24 hours to respond. And you have to give me a name, address, phone number, and email address. That's the way it's going to be. And you got 24 hours to respond once I pick the winner. And I'll say that in the other video. And last time I did a giveaway, there was guys that tried to, say, "Oh, this is I'm the guy." No, it's gonna match the YouTube setup. If you're commenting from a certain site on YouTube, I mean, I gotta confirm that it's you. I'm not gonna be stupid and just send it to anybody. These guys all calling me, "Oh, it's me. I'm in New York. Send me the stuff." No, the guy was from Missouri who won, so I gotta confirm it. I'm not that stupid. But anyway, that's the deal. Just wanted to do a quick little vlog on this Sporlan swag giveaway, and hopefully you win. Have a nice day.